WNCAA, pinopromote mo rin. But, sa iyo ba ngayon, yung sources mo ba, nakakayanan pa yung pagpapatakbo mo ng liga, ng Pinoy Liga?
Good question yun, sir, kasi ganito siya. Behind the Pinoy Liga Cup brand kasi is a marketing and a digital agency. It's called Prime Edge Marketing Consultancy. So yung infrastructure behind yung Pinoy Liga Cup brand is actually a business model. So ibig sabihin, sa likod ng brand, meron po kaming ahensya na ang ginagawa namin is that we professionally manage social media campaigns. We stream and broadcast live streams. We have on-ground activation, at saka we do brand management. So ang ibig pong sabihin, we are able to sustain yung aming brand building activity dahil meron po kaming negosyo sa likod. In fact, we're one of the biggest sports marketing agencies of Smart Sports. Kami po ay tumitake in din po ng mga corporate clients sa agency side para ang ginagawa po namin, nagkakaroon po kami ng oportunidad para maservisyon sila, but at the same time, magkaroon kami ng opportunity na ma-serve din yung brand namin called Pinoy Liga Cup. So yun po siya.
In addition, ang totoo po yan, anak ko ng contractor to si Miguel. Kaya nasusustain niya.
Sana.
Big Mac, last question. Nasa paglalaro ka na may experience mo yung mga kapag artista na nagbe-venture ka na sa pag-organize ng, alam mo, napakahirap mag-organize ng isang basketball. Laging punong-puno ng problema, simula pa lang sa pag-meeting nyo. But ngayon, yung level mo is higher than the being player. Paano mo siya ngayon i-consider na magiging future career mo? Maging commissioner someday?
Actually, I'm organizing now my own basketball clinic in Cavite, Bacoor, Cavite, kasi I live there now. I have a house there. Naisip ko kasi, for the longest time, I'm also an assistant coach ng Bacoor Strikers sa MPBL. So, naisip ko kasi, yung buhay ko ngayon, the past years, I'm actor. Ito nyo naman, commercial. It's been good transition from athlete to actor now. Life is okay, di ba? Pero hindi ko dapat nakakalimutan yung pinanggalingan ko, di ba? At saka, alam ko kasi yung hirap ng isang basketball player para maging isang ganap na basketball player. And alam ko rin yung galing ako sa, di ba dati wala namang mga clinic eh. Di ba kami, ako noong time ko, wala talagang clinic, talagang sarili lang. And naisip ko na I feel I have an obligation to start my own para yung mga batang hindi kaya ang magbayad or ng isang clinic is magkaroon ng isang venue, di ba? Di ba? Actually, meron akong free basketball clinic, meron din akong isang yung bayad din. Pero, more on, kasi may mga tinatouch na mga estudyante na gano'n eh, di ba? Sa mga free and sa mga konti lang naman, I don't price it na mas mahal kasi iniisip ko kasi pag libre kasi, minsan di sila na-attend eh, kasi libre eh. Pag may konting di ba, na-obliga kasi nang pumunta. So they will learn. Ang akin, I cannot forget the fact that I came from a basketball community. And I want to be remembered as a basketball player more than an actor. And I want to be also makita ng mga bata na kung kaya ko, kaya din nila. Diba? So hopefully, I could inspire, I could develop more kids. Lalo na sa Cavite, Bacoor. Kasi alam niyo naman, ang Metro Manila, talagang nandyan yung mga venue na yan. Pero maraming talent sa Cavite na hindi nakikita. So hopefully, I'm gonna be one of those coaches na magkaroon ng gantong venture na clinics. With the help of Benny, we're talking about, I'm asking Benny to help me kasi mas magaling siya dito, mas alam niya dito. Tapos at the same time, I have great coaches. I have great coaches already in my lineup. Coach Precious Jimenez, who's a women's coach. Roger Enrile will be with me, Coach Roger Enrile. He's coaching at Cebu MPBL. And Coach Marlo Corbin from local of Bacoor. So I have great coaches with me. Na kahit na busy ako, I know they will be there to continue the program that I'm instilling sa mga bata. Thank you.
Mabuhay ka, Big Mac. Okay, to wrap up this session, lahat ng announcement, Benny, please. And of course, the leaders, kumbaga yung mga key players of the teams who will be playing, please. Because we have 2 more sets of guests for today. Please, Benny.
Okay. Sige, Ma'am Judith. Ito, Ateneo. So, ang Ateneo, we're gonna have